Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dairy kefir. First, ensure you have fresh milk, preferably whole milk, and healthy, active kefir grains. You will also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal stirring utensil, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cloth secured with a rubber band. Avoid using metal with your kefir grains as it can harm them. To begin fermentation, place about 1 tablespoon of kefir grains into your clean glass jar. Pour 1 to 4 cups of fresh milk over the grains. The ratio of grains to milk affects fermentation speed. Cover the jar with your breathable lid and let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 48 hours. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to separate the grains. Place a non-metal sieve over another clean jar or bowl. Pour the fermented milk and grains into the sieve. Gently shake or stir the grains to help the finished kefir pass through. The grains will remain in the sieve, ready for your next batch. After separating, immediately place your kefir grains into fresh milk to start a new batch. If you need a break, store the grains in fresh milk in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember, healthy grains are key to delicious kefir. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.